In Alphabet Town, the letters were all tucked in, drifting off to sleep.
All except for the letter E.
E was wide awake, ready for an adventure.
E is for elephant. I'll be the Enchanted Elephant E.
With a plan for a magical night, E tiptoed through the quiet house.
E touched the bookshelf, and the stories inside whispered a gentle goodnight.
Next, E found a jar of cookies.
With a tap of its magical trunk, the cookies sparkled and glowed.
Out in the garden, the night was filled with tiny, glowing fireflies. E raised its arms like a grand trunk, and the fireflies danced, forming glowing shapes in the sky.
But soon, even an enchanted elephant gets tired. The crown of flowers curled up under the stars. The enchanted elephant E